Hello Corkies, I'm here with the next installment of our fall cocktail series. Today I am making the pumpkin spice white Russian. I think it's going to be a great spin on a classic, so stick around. Hi everybody, welcome back to corkandjava.com, your go-to place for coffee and wine reviews and how-tos. On this channel, we like to expand and enrich your experience with all your favorite beverages, so make sure you hit subscribe and never miss a video. So, like I said, I am making a pumpkin spice white Russian. It is going to be pretty simple, it's straightforward. I have this huge container of pumpkin spice coffee creamer. And I am not usually a pumpkin spice fan, so I have a feeling that this will stay in our fridge for a long time since I don't add anything like this to coffee. Vodka of your choosing. We generally do Skull vodka around here, it's great. And then Kahlua. If you remember, I made some homemade Kahlua a while back and it turned out even better than the store-bought stuff in my opinion. So we don't have any more of that on hand, but if you want to make homemade Kahlua, we can leave the link in the description so you can go and check that video out. It's even better than store-bought. So it's really straightforward. We're just going to do 2 ounces of each of these things, throw them in the cocktail shaker, and then strain it over our giant ice cube in here, and see how it goes. And so after you strain it over ice, just give it a little dash of cinnamon, not too much, I want to go crazy. And there you have it. All right, so now let's try this out. Ooh. Give me a mustache. Okay. So guys, I told you in the beginning that I'm not a huge pumpkin spice fan, but pumpkin is like the quintessential fall like decor taste. Got your pumpkin pie at Thanksgiving. This is really good. I had very low expectations for this International Delight ginormous pumpkin spice creamer, especially as a substitute for milk. This is really good. And I like the little dash of cinnamon on top. If you wanted to like get a fancy garnish, you could like rim this in like vanilla icing or cream cheese icing or something. Put some like pumpkin, like orange, like sprinkles, make it like really fall looking. But this is like super creamy, it's sweet, but it still has the kick with the vodka and the Kahlua, like you can still taste the alcohol. So this is really good. Make sure you guys give this one a try. And if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, okay? All right, so I mentioned that I don't care for the pumpkin spice, but I do like pumpkin. And one of my favorite things about fall is going to the pumpkin patch with my kids, especially, and picking out our pumpkins and then carving them later. But leave a comment below with what your favorite thing about fall is. Is it the pumpkin patch? Is it the pumpkin spice? Or something completely different? I'd love to know. And guys, make sure you find us online. We are not just on YouTube, we're on Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and on Instagram. There's great content, great community in all those places, so don't miss out. Looking forward to seeing you guys online, so until next time, bottoms up.